Yeah, that's fine.
Wait for me, okay?
None of these yet.
Look at the wheels spinning on that thing was wrecked. There's a little, you can't hardly see them.
I'm enjoying already. Look at the wheels spinning. You're on my track. No, you're on. I'm supposed to be on my track. You're on my track.
Yeah, you're on the inside track.
Yeah, I'm on the outside.
That's my track. Thanks. My track's on the outside down there.
You're in the middle.
Yeah.
I'm putting it in. I'm putting
You
it
need
in.
taking me that way.
Yeah. Leave you instead of taking you.
You ain't catching me there, way. Yeah, I know you ain't catching me. I'm in front.
Here's the start off line. Here's the start off line. Hey, you got my car.
You got your car?
Yeah, I'm not outside. You're in the inside. You're in the middle. I'm not outside. Hey! Let's see that early. We'll do it yours till I take off, okay?
I'm spinning out of the curve. I passed you. I'll roll out the right.
Now watch me, I'll drive you.
Put me on the wrong track.
Wait. Hey! I'm on the outside, you're on the inside. I'll make you start backwards. Yeah. That's the time to see that wheel fast in the back. That's too loud.
Can you catch up?
Yeah.
Can you pass me up? Yep. You got past the car.
Look around, Dink.
Check this out. Does that look weird? Is he flying through the air? Is it focus?
Yeah.
Fly, babe. Oh, zoom in on that Santa Claus, Dad, and let Derek work it.
Wait a minute, Derek.
It's still there.
He's a little too close. Back up, Derek. Okay, right there. Now let me zoom in on it.
Keep it straight. Put his feet down. Don't pull it.
Okay, now work it.
Get down. Say, oh, oh, oh. Pick up the camera. Don't touch the ball.
Huh?
Touch the ball. Set that back where you won't step on it. Ready? Just throw it like this. Yeah. Good stuff.
Got all this other stuff yet?
Yep.
You know it yet.
I know you. Ready? Now, get the kid out here and stuff. Turn around here toward the camera, baby. There you go. Let's see what that says.
Read the name tag.
It says to Derek from Aunt Paula.
That's what I want for now.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah. That's mine. That's what it's favorite. That's right. That's what I wanted.
Laura, she's enough paper on it, isn't she? Yes.
You can do all sorts of things with that.
There's all kinds of stuff, don't it? Goes up and down. Everything. Who's that from?
Uh-oh. Wow, they're four-wheel drive.
Are they?
Yeah.
Well, them ought to go good down on a smooth surface.
Push it real hard. Yeah, look at that.
Hey, that's
I know my mom always gets this. She got this.
Wow.
Boy.
My paintings.
Boy, that's
Number
good.
3.
Is it shooting from the
That's
Nice
pretty
outfit.
neat. That's beautiful.
That's a school or something.
I always think I want to go to church.
Where the church?
Yeah, it says. I might not go to church.
Give Daddy a kiss for it. That's sweet.
Let's see what that is.
That's
Yeah.
a gas station. Got the pumps and everything. Garage.
Wow, yeah, that's got everything in there.
cars and
Good
everything.
stuff.
They even got one too.
Wow.
Careful, that's the gas station. You just take this plastic cover off.
Everybody go up and get around the tree.
Everybody come up here and start ripping it to
Get over there, Mike.
He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on display. And everyone to see reindeer video. So I'm offering it's although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry
That's what Michael did, right, Mike?
Like that?
Tell me when the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep. Now that's it. Brought in. Where's your pack, your green? All the stockings you'll find.
that's his favorite color. He paints everything
Mine will be the smartest one. You'll be sure to know.
Kid can't wait over there. Go, kid.
Well, we all listen. That's the stuff.
Got that one. You can hit it, stop it. Just watch that needle.
As for
That way you know when you're ready.
Let's just do the opening blitz. Everybody attack it.
open at the same time.
Ready?
Yeah.
Paper tearing like
Boy, that's
Wow, check out the suit. Is that cute, Mom?
What are you doing, Dad? Time to look at it. We gotta zoom in on my
time is that?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Oh, that's the time Michael learned himself. Tell Electric what it is.
This one says happy birthday, you kid.
Thank you, Vicky. What I need.
Sure.
All the whole year through, this friend and
Here, Dimmer.
Play cameraman?
Which one do you zoom with?
Hold on to it, it's all just go anywhere.
The biggest one or
And the zoom's this knob here.
that lever? Okay.
When you zoom all the way in, you turn this focus, that way gets the hair.
How come? You got to throw it out?
Well, it depends on what you're zooming on, how far away it is. You have to focus on it. It's always different.
That's beautiful.
What you got there, Ma?
Ooh, another beautiful gown. Look at this.
That's lingerie, Mom.
Lingerie, Ma. Let's get it straight, kid says.
Look at here. With it.
All right, dang. The same one. Yeah,
What is it?
I mean, you say
Yes. That's yours.
what you do is you wear that.
Your suit. Well, see how that black shirt goes with that suit on the outside. They didn't have that color you wanted, so that was the next best. You know, you wear a white shirt, black tie with it, or that black shirt with collar on the outside.
Look like John Travolta or something with that stuff on.
Which one is this? Where'd you find that pie, Matt?
That fits good.
Good. Look at your
with
nails.
her eyes all aglow, finding it hard to sleep.
This is it.
Get out of here.
All right!
Yeah! I've been waiting for one of these for a long time. Well, I knew this would be bomb on the giant screen. Rip my sucker up.
How are we gonna hook it up? There's already so many wires on it.
Show the camera what it is.
This bomb. How do you open this stuff?
Like you a birthday here. One of my
That's what I thought too, but
Mr. Van Morrison, this is about the 72. For all you working people in the house today.
yeah, let's hook this bomb up.
What game you got?
Oh, it's got it.
Now I know what that is.
Now you know what it is? You didn't know what it was before?
Now I know what this is.
There's the shooting tanks, basketball, baseball, roulette, space battle. I don't need these.
Like that, eh?
Basketball.
That's better than, car or
Tanks.
Backgammon?
Yeah, you got all kinds of regular roulette, all kinds of like Las Vegas games.
Football.